Hello and welcome to Crypto Shine, a channel where you can find the latest and honest information about cryptocurrencies, information security, and market research. In today's video, we will be looking at the Brave browser and how it can be used to earn passive income. If you use one of the mainstream browsers such as Chrome or Firefox or Safari and you are not satisfied with the user experience due to excessive advertisements or online tracking, lack of privacy, and slow speed, then Brave browser can be a great alternative for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what I have open here is a web page to download the Brave browser. You can click on my referral link in the description of this video below. It will bring you to a web page which looks like this. Also, to keep things transparent, when you use my referral link, I earn a small commission from it and you get the opportunity to start earning passive income. So what exactly is a Brave browser? Well, this is a fairly new web browser which is focused on internet privacy. It was created by the founders of Mozilla and JavaScript programming language, and it uses a Chromium browser engine, the same core engine on which the Chrome browser is built. Now, there are a few main features of the Brave browser which I feel differentiated from all other browsers out there. And these features are the privacy, security, anonymity, and most of all, the opportunity to earn passive income. Now, I'll cover more details of each of the features in the future videos. But in today's video, I want to show you how you can start earning passive income with this browser. So here you have the download option. So once you click on the download link here, it initiates a download. And as you can see, there are download options for different operating system platforms. For example, if you're using a MacBook, then you can use a macOS option. If you're using a Linux based operating system, then you can use a Linux download link. So once the download has completed, let's open the setup file. So I'll be walking you through the different steps. That is, how do you download, how do you install, and after installation, I'll give you a quick overview of the user interface of the browser, and then after that, we are going to look into how you can start earning passive income with this browser. So Brave Browser Installer has a graphical user interface and it is a web installer, which means that it will download and install at runtime. So the download has completed and now it will resume the installation process. It only takes about a couple of minutes. So I'll fast forward the video. Alright, so this is a Brave browser. Once the installation completes, there will be an icon for this browser in the system tray, which you can use to access the browser. So let's quickly go over the user interface of the browser. So if you are using mainstream browsers such as Chrome or Firefox, then this user interface will look quite familiar. So let's open a new tab here. So once you open a new tab, you are shown this wallpaper and a few widgets here. So since our focus in this video is on how you can start earning passive income, so we'll focus on this thing called as a Brave Rewards. So first thing that you have to do is you have to turn on the rewards. Once you do that, you essentially can start earning these Brave Rewards. So you click on turn on rewards. Okay, once you do that, it displays you your BAT balance. So what is BAT? BAT is a cryptocurrency and you earn the passive income in the form of BAT. And I'm going to make another video where I explain more about the BAT token, but essentially it is a cryptocurrency from the project called the Basic Attention Token. So since we have just installed, it is a fresh installation, so our BAT balance is 0. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the ad settings. It's very important to configure your ad settings properly so that you start earning the rewards. So I'm going to open a new tab here. And you can access the settings in multiple ways. One way is that on the right hand side, you have these settings can be accessed from here. And a quick way to do that is also by typing in the address bar Brave Rewards. So once you access the settings from here, Okay, so this is an ad settings page. So few very important things that you have to make sure which are configured correctly are, first of all, this option has to be enabled ads. Only when you enable, you will start seeing the advertisements. So by default, this option is enabled. Another thing here is the auto contribute option. What auto contribute means is that, the Brave browser will automatically contribute the BAT tokens which you have earned on your behalf to content creators. So if you want to keep this option enabled, then that's your wish. But if let's say you don't want to contribute your BAT tokens to any content creators, then you need to disable this option. Another very important setting is the ad settings. So you can access it by clicking on this sandwich icon. So once you click on this, by default it is set to 2 ads per hour, and you can change it to 5 ads per hour. So our goal is to get as many ads as possible so that we can start earning more passive income. Now, you might be concerned that if you start receiving more ads, then it might spoil your user experience. However, the most important thing to note here is that these advertisements are not the same as the ones you see on other browsers like Chrome browser and so on. So they are not privacy invasive. In fact, you don't even need to click on these advertisements. They'll just show up as notifications on the top right hand side. Or, okay, here we go. So here we have an advertisement. Okay, so we can walk through how does it work. So you see this notification here, right? So this is a notification of an ad from Amazon about the Kindle device. So I don't need to click on this ad. I can continue using the web page. I can click anywhere. I can open a new tab, and the ad will just be displayed here, the ad notification. So as you can see, it doesn't really impact your browsing experience, right? And now we can also see our BAT balance has been updated. So we have earned this much BAT, or 1 cent, just because of this advertisement. So this is really important to note, that you do not need to click on the ads, because this is one of the common questions which people ask, that do I need to click on the advertisements? Alright, so going back to the ad settings, so once you've set it to maximum of 5 ads per hour, you can just close this and it will automatically save the settings. Okay, so once the settings are saved, another important thing here is your estimated pending rewards. So the reason it says estimated is because when you start earning the BAT rewards, they do not automatically appear in your wallet here. So the payouts are done usually on a monthly basis, and sometimes once in 2 weeks. So at the time of recording this video, it shows that the next payment date is on October 5th. The next important setting here is the ad notifications this month. Now, ad notifications essentially allow you to get more information about like how many ad notifications were shown to you this month. It's just purely for statistical purposes. So there are two more things which I'd like to cover. So one is the wallet. So the Brave browser has an inbuilt wallet, and as you can see here, it shows you all the important information about the wallet. So this is a balance. So as I said that right now the balance has not been transferred to your wallet, so it is showing 0. But once the next payment happens, then you will see this balance updated. Now the other thing is this verification of the wallet. So if in case, let's say you want to transfer the BAT tokens which you have earned to your another cryptocurrency wallet, or if you want to cash it out by transferring it to a bank, by converting it to dollars and then transferring it to a bank, then in that case you have to verify your wallet. Now how do you verify? So once you click on this option, now you see this message which says that you need to have a minimum of 25 BATs before you can verify. So that will eventually happen as you continue using the browser with time. Now, this Uphold account. So there is a website called uphold.com, and that website allows you to connect your wallet from the Brave browser, and then you can transfer your earnings to uphold.com. And from there, you get many other options to cash out. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do the cash out process. Now the next important thing which I'd like to cover, and that will be the last thing for this video, and that is about these wallpapers. So each time you refresh the web page, it will show you a new wallpaper. Now, the interesting thing about these wallpapers is that for some of these wallpapers, you will actually be paid just for viewing the wallpaper. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the content. And once again, to get the download link for the Brave browser, you can get it from the video description below. And I'll see you in the next video. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified about the new content. So have a good day, and I'll see you next time.